guys, welcome back to my channel, Head Chef Mom. I'm Kendall Lawrence, and I'm so glad that you're here again with me today. And today I want to introduce you to one of my favorite recipes. It's a wonderful vegetable and beef skillet, and it's seasoned up with a little bit of cumin and chili powder and other wonderful ingredients to give it a little Southwest flair. Best of all, it's low carb and it's delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. Come on in and let's take a look at the ingredients. So here are the ingredients for our vegetable beef skillet. For veggies, I have some onions here that I have sliced up into large size pieces, mostly just kind of quartered the onion and then took the layers apart. I have one medium green bell pepper that I've cut into strips. I have a red bell pepper that I've also cut into strips. I have some zucchini and squash that I've cut up in bite-sized pieces that are about 1 inch thick. I have about 2 pounds of 85-15 ground beef. I have 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel tomatoes. I have 1 original and 1 hot. That's your preference. I have some minced garlic. I have about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I have about 2 teaspoons of cumin. I have about a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. And I have about a half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. And we're going to go ahead and put all this yummy goodness together. So let's get over to the stove. So I have been sauteing my onions and my peppers now for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add my minced garlic and I'm going to saute this for about another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to remove my onions and peppers and garlic to a plate. Okay, so I have removed my peppers and onions from the pan and put them on a plate, and I have browned up my ground beef and removed the excess oil. Now I am going to add my seasonings. I'm going to add my chili powder, and I'm going to add my cumin, my red pepper flakes, my salt and pepper, and I'm going to add my Rotel tomatoes. And I'm going to get this all stirred up, and then I will put a lid on it and let it just kind of simmer on medium-low for about 10 minutes. Okay, so my meat mixture has been simmering now for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add my zucchini and squash to the mix. Now, it's really important that you wait to put your uncooked zucchini and squash in around the last 10 minutes of the cook, because you don't want it to get too soft and mushy, okay? And I'm also going to add my peppers and onions back into the mix. I'm going to, I really love this recipe because not only is it low carb, but I can just throw everything all in my one big cast iron skillet and be done with it. Okay, so I am going to now let this, put a lid on it and let this just simmer for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. So here it is, guys, the low carb beef and vegetable skillet. It looks so pretty and so festive and so delicious. I'm going to dig right in. Wow, I love all the flavors that are working here. It definitely has a Southwest flair from the cumin and the chili powder, and the red bell peppers give it a slight sweetness. It almost kind of tastes like a fajita. It's really, really delicious. There's a little bit of kick, not too much, from the hot Rotel tomatoes. You don't have to use that. And there's also a little kick from the bit of red pepper flakes that we put in there. If you're a cilantro lover, then don't leave that out. This will be great with cilantro. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please come back soon. comment, like, subscribe, share, and go feed your family. I love you guys. Bye-bye.